Lannister Manufacturing has a target debt equity ratio of 55%. Its cost of equity is 11% and its cost of debt is 6%. If the tax rate is 21%, what is the company's weighted average cost of capital? So we have given debt equity ratio of 55%, cost of equity that is 11%, cost of debt is 6%, and tax rate is 21%, and we have to find WACC. Firstly, we need to find the weight of debt and weight of equity, and by using debt equity ratio we can find weight of debt and weight of equity. So debt equity ratio of 0.55, this means that we have debt that is equal to 0.55 and equity is 1, and by using this weight of debt is 0.55 divided by debt plus equity that is 1.55, and the weight of debt is 0.35, that is 35%. Weight of equity one minus weight of debt, that is 1 minus 0.35, that is equal to 0.65. So 65% is the weight of equity. By using this we can find the WACC. WACC is equal to weight of debt into cost of debt into 1 minus T plus weight of equity into cost of equity. Weight of debt is equal to 35%. Cost of debt is 6% into 1 minus 0.21, that is the tax rate, plus weight of equity 0.65 into cost of equity that is 11%, that is equal to 0.0166 plus 0.0715, that is equal to 8.81%. If you have any questions related to finance and financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best solutions. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.